Hey y'all, I'm Teddy and welcome to my channel. So this is part 2 of the video. So make sure y'all check out part 1 and let's get right into this video. So we're going to start off where we left off from, and that's me adding the shapes and lines to my nails with the colors 23 and 24. I really liked how these nails turned out in the end. Like I said, I wasn't a really big fan of the color of the polygel, but I made it work. You have to just fix what's, I ain't gonna say it's broken. Now I'm not even gonna use that. You just have to make use of what you have. You have to make it better. And to me, I felt like making it matte was a better choice for me. So I did what I could. I'm just watching the video. I'm getting quiet because I'm watching the video because I'm like, I really kind of laid these lines. And I added 2 coats of every color, like I said before. And I just, try to keep a steady hand, and because I could have been all over the place with these lines, really them shapes too, be honest with you. But I took my time. That's really what this is about. Just take your time and have fun. Because that's all you can do. Have fun for you and have fun for everybody else if you're going to put these videos out. Because I have fun every time I do a nail set. It just takes me a little minute to edit and then upload and then do this all over again. Because I'm trying to find, more ways and different nail designs to do my nails and trying to get better at doing them, especially using acrylic. Because the next video is going to be with acrylic, just like I did with the emerald, the birthstone nails. Well, I did the same. I did another birthstone video for June, which was the pearl. So I really hope y'all like that. Here's the number 18 I was telling y'all about, the light pink. I use the same method of what I did before with my nails, shape, line. And for one, I kind of messed up because I did a line and I was trying to make it this thin little curvy line next to another line, and it just was not working out. So I moved the line to the top. on this nail right here, what I was about to show. So as you can see, I tried to, I try to curve the line with the shape, and my finger was like, no, you're not that good. Don't even do that. You should be happy that we even did the line. That's right there. So I had to take it off because I just kept looking at it and it just didn't look right. I was like, it's all messed up and it's jacked up. So I ended up taking it off and I did another line. It was I did it higher on the nail and shorter. So, the long lines is over with me. That was as good as it gets. And after I added all my shapes and lines and then my second coat of my pink, I cured. Then I added my cuticle oil to my nails. And I just was very just impressed. Like, I really did a good job. I really did. I'm so happy, y'all, because I'm getting better and better. I'm going to keep talking about it because I'm getting better and better, like with everything. The editing and the lighting, the voiceovers, the videos itself. I mean, I had all the product, have all the equipment. It just, it takes time. Like I said before, it takes time, practice. And I practice a lot too. I sit for hours practice on nails. I did it last night on the polka dot nails. So that would be next. The polka dot nails that collagen had, yeah, I did some of those. So I got to record it and show y'all what I did. And I hope y'all like them. But I really hope y'all like this video. I'm going to let y'all watch the rest of this video. Let this music play. And I hope y'all have a great day. Stay safe. Stay calm. Be kind. And that's all you can do. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know how y'all feeling. And I'll be back with another video. Bye.